Yo, what's up everyone, it's Ahmed, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's becoming more crucial than ever, Instagram SEO. If you're serious about growing your presence and hitting those engagement goals, you gotta get familiar with how to optimize your content for the platform's algorithm. So, whether you're an entrepreneur, a creator, or just someone who wants to maximize their Instagram game, stick around because I'm breaking down the essential Instagram SEO secrets you need to know. Let's get into it. Alright, so before we jump into the tactics and strategies, let's talk about why you should even care about Instagram SEO in the first place. Instagram's algorithm is constantly evolving. With a massive and growing user base, there's more competition for attention. When you optimize your profile and content for search, you're telling Instagram what your content is about and who it's for. This helps the algorithm categorize and rank your content, ensuring it reaches the right people. Bottom line, SEO is no longer optional on Instagram. It's the key to standing out and achieving real, sustainable growth. Alright, so let's start with the foundation of your Instagram presence, your profile. First up, your username. A searchable username can make a world of difference. If your current username doesn't reflect what you do, consider tweaking it to include relevant keywords. Next, your bio. Use this space wisely to clearly articulate what you offer, who you serve, and what makes you unique. Sprinkle in those relevant keywords. And don't sleep on your profile name field either. This is prime real estate for SEO. Instead of just your name, consider using keywords that describe your niche or industry. For example, if you're a fitness coach, you could use Fitness Coach Your City. A well-optimized profile is like a beacon, guiding the right people to your content. Let's talk about hashtags, guys. They're like little SEO bombs that can significantly amplify your reach. But you gotta use them strategically. Forget about stuffing your captions with generic hashtags like #love or #instagood. Focus on niche-specific hashtags directly related to your content and target audience. Use a mix of broader industry terms and more specific long-tail keywords. Remember, hashtags are like bridges connecting your content to a wider audience. Use them wisely and you'll be amazed at the results. Okay, so we've talked about optimizing your profile and mastering hashtags, but Instagram SEO is an ongoing game of engagement. The algorithm loves it when people interact with your content. Likes, comments, shares, saves, these are all signals to Instagram that your content is resonating. The more engagement you get, the more likely the algorithm is to push your content higher in search results and the Explore page. Boost engagement by creating high-quality content that provides value. Ask engaging questions in your captions, run polls and quizzes in your stories, and respond to comments. Engage with other accounts in your niche, leave thoughtful comments, and participate in relevant conversations. Engagement is the lifeblood of Instagram SEO. It shows the algorithm that your content is worth seeing. Alright, let's talk about consistency. The Instagram algorithm thrives on fresh content. When you post regularly, it signals to the algorithm that you're an active and engaged user. Creating a content calendar can be a game changer. Plan out your posts in advance, experiment with different content formats, and find a posting frequency that works for you. Consistency isn't just about how often you post, it's also about the quality and relevance of your content. Make sure your content aligns with your overall brand message and provides value to your audience. The more consistently you feed the algorithm with high-quality, engaging content, the more it will reward you with increased visibility and reach. So there you have it, guys. Those are the Instagram SEO secrets that will have you ranking higher and crushing it in 2025. Remember, it's about understanding how to work with the algorithm to get your content seen by the right people. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on mastering the gram. Let me know in the comments below what your biggest SEO takeaways were. Until next time, keep creating awesome content and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!